Hello class and welcome to week 10 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, we will be continuing with the CRJS discussion board post. That's the criminal justice post. And for this week, you're going to be working on the critical reading number 2. So the CRJS discussion, critical reading number 2. For this particular post, you're going to be asked to connect, challenge, and extend yourselves. So reflect on the readings and videos in ACLT and English 101 learning resources. Use the critical reading tutorial as a guide to respond to the questions below. Aim to compose 2 to 3 paragraphs that synthesize your ideas and show connections between them. Please, no bullet points or numbers. How do you connect with the ideas presented in the 3 articles regarding the criminal justice system? How did the information from the 3 articles extend your thinking? What did you learn and how did your thinking change? What challenges and questions do you have after reading these articles? Respond to these questions in 2 to 3 paragraphs by topic. Include at least 2 paraphrased examples from the sources with MLA citations. Include an MLA style works cited entry for each source included in your post. Of course, at the end, you do need to respond to your peers. So make sure to respond to at least 2 other classmates' posts by building on something your classmates have already said. Explain why or how you see things differently. Ask a probing question. Clarify an insight, offer and support an opinion, validate an idea, or expand on your classmate's post. So that is the first part of the post. The second part would be the reflection, the Module 3, reading and writing reflection. So at the end of this week, you'll compose a reflection that summarizes the ideas and strategies you've gained from the ACLT learning resources, the tutorials, the videos, and so forth, and their connection to your work in English 101. Responses should be focused on both reading, writing skills, and the content of the learning resources. So think about it in terms of what I used to think and what I now think, how I connected, how I extended my thinking, how I was challenged. So how did you connect with the materials and the assignments? How did the materials and the assignments extend your thinking in new directions? What was challenging about this week's materials and assignments? What did you see? What did you think? What did you wonder? What did you notice? What did you see? What did you read? What did you watch that stood out to you? Your criteria again would be 2 to 3 paragraphs by topic. Include at least 2 quoted or paraphrased examples from the sources with MLA in-text citations. Include an MLA style works cited at the end of your post. And of course, be sure to respond to 2 other peers. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.